Alright, sports fans, welcome back to Paul Plays Games. I'm Paul, and you're watching Half-Life 2. We just made it into a place called Ravenholm, which, as you can see by all the decapitated bodies, is not a lovely place to be. Whoops, did not mean to do that, but whatever. Not a great way to start off here. I thought I had my gravity gun, but instead it turned out that I had an actual gun, so that actually didn't turn out so well for me. Let's see, do I have any weapons around here? Do I have a saw blade or something? Or did I lose it? I got this guy. I can use this. I'm actually kind of annoyed at myself. I just wrecked my health just there. Alright, who's coming at me? There's gotta be somebody, yeah? There they are. Oh, they are new. Oh, crap. Oh, where'd you come from? I don't like them. Wow. Alright. Oh, they're kind of creepy looking. So they're actually brand new. I've not seen them before. I'm actually almost out of ammo here, so... Oh, excellent. Very good. So I just broke that off. Maybe I should just take these guys out now while I have the chance. Because I'm guessing at some point I'm going to have to go down there. There we go. Very good. Oh, that was the door I was trying to get into. Okay, very good. So it looks like now that I've turned off the electricity, maybe there's something back here I need to get to. So it seems that I might be getting some, maybe some new aliens. I guess we'll find out here soon enough. I hear something. There it is. Got him. Let's see, actually, let's make sure we're ready to go. So I have a suspicion that I'm going to run into a whole lot more monsters. So let's take a look around here. This is looking really, oh, howdy boys. Oh, that did nothing. I've not seen a lot of ammo around here, so I actually kind of want to be somewhat careful with like my submachine gun. Make sure that I have what I need. Howdy. Oh. Alright, well, I'm so sorry. Let me, I feel kind of bad about that, actually, now. No, I don't. I feel like I should feel bad about that, but I also do not. Oh, yes. And these guys are nice, too, but I really like my saw blades. Alright, I already shot those guys from the window. Howdy, fam. Anybody else coming at me? Alright. Very good. Let's go ahead and climb up this guy. It's kind of difficult to climb while carrying a saw blade. There, oh, nope. There we go. Sorry about that, some technical difficulties. Alright, let's, tell you what, let's just set that down right there. I wonder if I could... Can I just shoot it over there? Nice.
Well done, brother. Make free use of my traps, but
There he
take
is.
care not to fall in them yourself. Behind you!
Oh,
In Ravenholm, you do well to be vigilant.
yeah, no kidding. Alright, so... Uh-huh, I see you. Little, let's do this. We got him right here. It's gonna take him out while they can't reach me, and I can reach them, so... Take that to the bank. Cash it. Huh. I don't think so, sir. Alright, anything else up here I need? I guess I could take this guy with me. I'll have to stop standing on it first. Alright, nice. Save myself the trouble of walking all those... save myself the trouble of having to kill all those things after dropping down, so that's beneficial. There's gotta be... Okay, that's where I was just was. There's gotta be some more guys around here, right? Alright, well, I'll bite. What's this guy do? Oh, nice. Hello, howdy fam. Come on down. I got him hosting big old barbecue. Oh, missed them. Some of them at least. Oh, you suck. This is why I should not be using my pistol right now, 'cause it sucks. Alright, so I just used a crap ton of my bullets for my pistol because I'm just really bad at timing, but whatever. I want my saw blade back. Where's my saw blade? There it is. Oh, nice. What's up here? Something up there. How am I gonna get up there? Could I... Nothing going around here. Come on down, Can I jump off the car maybe into there? It seems like there's something in there that I might want. Let's try it. Ah, I fell off. It's got the lambda thing. I think that's a place I'm supposed to go. Or what if I try this guy? Would that be better? Nah, he's kind of hard to stand on. Maybe this guy's easier. Okay. Tell you what, why don't I just get up this way? I swear there's something back there. I'm just trying to figure out how I would go about getting over there. I don't think I can walk on that wire. Oh, yes! Haha, I did it. I have no idea how I'm gonna get out now. Okay. Maybe that was not my best move. Aha, I was supposed to get back here. Nice. Alright. Very good. Maybe if I climb on this guy. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, buddy. Alright. So, now I just need to get back up there. Let's take the more direct route. Nope, don't you dare.
Better and better. I am Father Grigori.
Hey, Father Grigori.
My congregation.
Okay, you are definitely crazy, but you're also helping me stay alive, so I guess I can't be but so mad. I guess you should get something I can actually protect myself with. Definitely waiting for those glass windows to break out or something. So this is kind of a creepy place. Father Gregory. Huh. Well done, team. A little bit of overkill. Maybe just the right amount of kill.
It is you, brother. I apologize. But no harm done. My bullets are the least of your concerns.
Let me actually get this guy here. Just trying to get through this window. I think I can. There we go. Oh, hello. Ah, crap. I did not want to get down here. Ah, crap. They are just coming at me. I was not trying to fall down. Oh, my word. You all just need to calm down. Calm down. Alright, so... Oh, crap. Ah, they're still coming at me. There's so many of them. Ah, poop, poop, poop. Ah, and ran into some fire. Alright, you all need to come down this way. And, we're just gonna... Look, you guys need to stop all your nonsense. Ah, crap. Wow, this has been a series of unfortunate events. Oh, where are you? So what if I blow this guy up? Ouch. No, you guys need to die. Crap. Alright, very good. I am near dead because I'm an idiot. And basically only because I'm an idiot. I was trying to take out a couple guys and I fell down and I had not cleared out the area below me very much at all, and then they started attacking me and trying to turn me into a monster, and it just really went downhill. Went downhill real fast. 1 minute you're just chilling, next thing you know, everybody's like all up in your grill trying to give you new braces and crap. Let's find out what's in here. Another dead guy. Aha. I'll take it. Thank you, dude. Appreciate your service for the cause. Alright, so I need to find a way to get somewhere. I'm not actually even sure where I'm supposed to go as of just yet. So let's take a look around. I have not been down through here. And that is not helpful. I could climb up on that that roof there if I needed to, probably. I am not seeing... Oh, there's a ladder. Of course there's a ladder. There's always a ladder every time I get stuck. I should just really just keep a lookout for ladders. Okay. This guy sucks at ladders, and by this guy I mean mostly just me.
Although they call me crazy, I care not, for thou art my helper, my strength, and my redeemer.
Wow, that guy is really getting them. Also, it's an odd choice of scripture to be quoting. Just checking. Wow, that is really awful. And yes, my favorite saw blade. I'm so glad somebody's been leaving these guys around. Also, these things look pretty sweet too. I want to try chucking one of these at somebody. I bet there's somebody right around this corner. Well, that did not do nearly as much as I had hoped. But neither did that for some strange reason. Oh no, I've lost my weapon. Yeah. Well, take that. And this. How are you still alive? You're not fine. Take that. I'm just gonna keep chucking furniture. You know what? Gonna paint you too. Now what? And take that. And take this. Oh crap, he keeps coming closer. And take that. Yes! Ha 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 ha. Alright, I'm gonna defend myself with this awfully long table. Maybe not. Ha! My saw blade. What? How did you... There we go. Where'd my saw blade go? I want my saw blade. I want my saw blade. Alright, so doing alright here. Our health is back up to 100, which is good. Don't have any suit power, but I guess I wouldn't really expect Ravenholm to be the place to have a lot of like random suit powers lying around. But thank you very much, Skullman, for your sacrifices for my particular cause. I just want more backstory on these. Oh no. Oh, holy. Wow. All right. Not at 100 health anymore. What the frick sauce? I need a sharper blade. That was not at all effective. I have no idea where I'm going. I'm just kind of wandering around. I heard something. I think there's one around here. But I'm almost out of those bullets, and that Magnum is really my favorite. Ah, crap, this is... Crap, get out of here. Thankfully, they don't do that much damage. It's just really disconcerting that they keep jumping at my head, trying to, like, eat me. Like, I don't know. Maybe just not my favorite part of this game. Fine, whatever. Nice, that is some strong glass. Look at that. Just, I need some of that glass in my house. I hear some dudes. Nice, I really needed that ammo. We're just gonna keep painting you white, dude. Because you deserve the life that we're... Yeah, I got your back. Why can't I paint him? I want to paint him all white. I really want to kill him just by hitting with paint cans. Yeah, take that, dude. Oh, I could have been hitting with a radiator and instead I chose paint cans? I'm an idiot. Thank you, thank you. Okay. Very good. That's the one thing, like, I love the saw blade, but it's just not very effective against those little boys, because they're just hard to hit, you know? Those guys creep me out.
Here, brother.
Hey.
Come closer.
Okay.
You've stirred up hell.
Okay.
Man after my own heart. Here,
great.
I have a more suitable gun for you. You'll
Nice.
need it. Catch. Good. Now, keep it close. My advice to you is aim for the head. Hush. They come. There is no rest in Ravenholm. Move on and I will meet you at the church.
Wow. The shotgun is sweet. Thank you for breaking my fall, Mr. Water. Alright, so this shotgun is nice. Unfortunately, we're about out of time, so... Nice, more shotgun shells. Thank you, thank you. Very nice. Oh, hang on, we need to take care of these guys first. I just want to know how those guys ended up like that. I hear some rattling. Alright, well, we will actually stop here. These guys are really nasty. I guess that's those spiky boys. We'll stop here and try and get out of Ravenholm maybe at next episode. So, thanks for watching. Keep on watching because we appreciate it. Hopefully it's entertaining for you. And we will see you next time.